All right, guys, here we go. This is PYT 234. Good luck to everyone. 24 Encore football. 10 packs, 6 cards per pack, 1 auto, 1 mem. This is the debut edition. We have one more Encore break later tonight. Up next after this one's going to be our totally certified NBA break. If you're in that one, that is coming up next. There's our empty box. Good luck to everybody in this one. We have TJ Hawkinson, Christian Watson, Jared Goff. And we have our mem right there, Pinnacle Express Bills mem of Keon Coleman. That one is out of 75, 26 out of 75. Then we have a head-to-head, Richard Sherman, Darrelle Revis. That's the Jets and Seahawks. Let's see if we have 2 different owners here. We do, so this will get random at the end. Any of the dual cards, or someone does not own, both teams will random. And we got Brian Thomas on the Pinnacle rookie. My first time seeing this Encore. Cameron Jordan, Rashid Shaheed, Deshaun Watson. Another head-to-head, the 49ers and Falcons. Andre Rison, Deion Sanders. And another one we will random. This one, the red parallel. That one's going to be numbered out of 75. We got Brian Thomas on the rookie aura and Jatavian Sanders. Head-to-heads we will random at the end of the break. Alan Lazard, Aaron Jones, Evan Ingram, Kirk Cousins, Micah Parsons, the future is now, and Quinyon Mitchell. Quinn Williams, Breece Hall, Trayvon Walker, Michael Pittman. Another head-to-head for the Giants and Redskins or Commanders. That one we will rate him. Ray Davis. George Pickens. Romeo Dobbs. Zaire Franklin. Cortland Sutton on the blue. That is numbered out of 25. 7 out of 25. Cortland Sutton for Denver. Caleb Williams on the rookie aura. Jordan Travis. Next pack. Jacoby Myers. Josh Palmer. Micah Parsons. Jake Ferguson. The future is now. That is Jordan Love. Marshawn Nealon. Alvin Kamara, Will Levis, Javonte Williams, Trey Hendrickson, CeeDee Lamb, and Ladd McConkey. Ryan Burns, CeeDee Lamb, Josh Downs, Tyson Bagent for the Bears. That is out of 99, 26 out of 99. Tyson Bagent. Team Pinnacle, Amon-Ra, St. Brown, and Bo Nix. Last 2 packs. We have Baker Mayfield, Dexter Lawrence, Tyson Bagent. Our auto is T. Higgins. T. Higgins is the auto in this one. And that is out of 199. It's an auto you don't see often. T. Higgins on the auto for the Bengals spot. Christian McCaffrey, Blueprints. Chris Jenkins, and our final pack of this break. Again, we will random off the head-to-heads. We'll do a left-right random for those. Max Crosby, Cooper Kupp, Jerry Jeudy, Troy Franklin. That is out of 150. Team Pinnacle, Jalen Hurts, and DJ James. Let's top load, random off the head-to-heads, and do our recap. Up next after this one is our 24-25 totally certified premium hobby. It's an NBA break PYT 233 coming up next. We'll do a left-right random. Teams on the left, the Niners, Jets, Giants. Teams on the right, we got the Falcons, Seahawks, and Commanders. Let's pull up our randomizer. Let's get this started. All right, we got our left and rights. We got our dice roll. We're going to roll the dice. And we have 8 times. Whichever position's in the one spot after the 8th randomization, that's the side the teams will get the cards on. Here we go. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our 8th and final time. 8 times going to the left. 8 times to the left. The teams on the left are the Giants, getting the Lawrence Taylor, Joe Theismann. Darrelle Revis, Richard Sherman, that's going to the Jets. And the 49ers are going to get the head-to-head Deion Sanders, Andre Rison out of 75. Do a recap. Cortland Sutton out of 25. Rookie aura, that is Caleb Williams. Tyson Bagent for the Bears out of 199, or excuse me, out of 99. Troy Franklin out of 150. Keon Coleman on the mem out of 75. And T. Higgins on our auto out of 199. That does it for break number 2, our Encore break. Up next is our NBA Totally Certified. Let's update this title. This is PYT 234, or excuse me, 233 coming up